Ngiyabingelela bonke ababukele emakhaya uNkululeko Khanyi from Ungazibulali Indoda. Today sihlangene la eMidrand where are we launching an officially of this initiative ethi-ke Ungazibulali Indoda. The purpose of this initiative today ukuthi sibe la, we see the stats esenzakalayo in South Africa. By the way, South Africa was sitting as number 2 as sibona abantu begcwele la kakhulu ukugcwala amadoda. Sizokhuluma about all those social ills that affect amadoda, and siyabonga nohulumeni ukukhona, sibonga nama stakeholders who have joined us. Today we are saying it's enough of us as amadoda, we are dying.
I'm just here today just to share my story. The reason why I am called Last Man Standing, it's because in my family, everybody died. I'm the only one that is still staying. If you are talking about my father, you say Machine. When you are talking about my mom, you say Machine. Mupapa wang, musisi wang, upundi wang, basemachini. The man that came back to me is a stranger to me.
Even today, I'm having those flashbacks. My son hanging there, his lifeless body just swinging.
Ngifisa ukusho emadodeni akhona lana omama abakhona ukuthi inkinga esibhekana nayo njengoba sekushiwo la ukuthi thina amadoda njengoba singakhulumi siyahlukumezeka kakhulu.
I always mntwana ugcina ask myself ukuthi why ngaqala into enzima kangaka, into edelelekile to save imphefumulo yabantu. Sibanqande emathuneni thina doctor each and every minute. Ithi phone indoda iphethe spam. Ithi yobulala unkosikazi ngoba uyamthithela bese yibulale yena. Bese siyamlalela thina. Because sifuna obaba baphile bengazibulali.
Namhlanje sekwi conference Ungazibulali Indoda. Siyafisa ke ukubonga kakhulu ama organizer ngokuthi abe nesibindi sokuhlela le conference namhlanje la khona amadoda azonikezwa ithuba lokuba akhulume ngeinkinga abhekene nazo. Iqiniso ukuthi uma amadoda eneyinkinga, amadoda engakwazi ukukhuluma, angeke sikwazi ukukhanda isizwe esiphilayo, isizwe esibumbene.